This is Mama Miche, and today in my magic kitchen, Jewish brisket. I am not a religious Jew, nor do I keep a kosher home. In fact, I've joked I'm Jewish. I still love traditional holiday foods, Judaism. It's the only religion that is an ethnicity as well, as far as I know. Brisket is the one go-to multi-holiday meal. You can make it for Rosh Hashanah, Hanukkah, Passover, Shabbat. I often serve it at our Seder. It's a crowd pleaser for show. If you keep kosher, you know there are cuts of meat that aren't considered kosher. The brisket comes from the front of the cow, kosher. Did you know filet mignon is not, even if it isn't wrapped in bacon? Now, I use whatever red wine I have on hand. It's always worked in the past, why change? If you try this recipe, let me warn you, it's delicious and addictive. I'd challenge Midge Maisel with my brisket. Let Mama Miche make your kitchen magic.
So this is just quality control because, you don't want anybody to not enjoy the brisket at your holiday dinner. I'm just saying that I'm not going to say it's better than your buddies, but you're going to love this brisket. Whoopsie.